Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make tags appear and disappear on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story, and then for my Instagram story, I'm just going to upload an image from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still choosing an image. For example, I'm going to add this image. Okay, and then I'm going to add tags to this Instagram story. So I'm going to click on the text option, and I'm going to add, for example, story. Okay, and you can change the font of the text if you want. I'm just going to select bubble. And if you want to make the text appear and disappear on your Instagram story, you can add animation to the text. Okay, if you want to add animation, you just need to click on your text, and then you can click on this menu or the symbol. Okay, and to make it appear and disappear, I recommend you to select this pop animation. Okay, this is how the animation looks like. And this animation can make your tags appear and disappear on your Instagram story. Okay, and I'm going to apply effect as well. I'm gonna add sparkle effect or maybe neon effect. Okay, I'm gonna go with this neon effect. Okay guys, and this is how the text looks like on my Instagram story. And then you can make it a bigger or smaller. You can use your two fingers to make it bigger or smaller, to zoom in or zoom out. And I'm going to make the text bigger. Alright, and this is the result guys. And you can continue the story editing before you upload it to your Instagram. You can add sticker or maybe effect or music. It's up to you. And then once you're ready to share your Instagram story, you can click on your story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make text appear and disappear on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.